Nerd's plant.
Feed me. Feed me.
Feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me.
Thanks.
Oh, aren't you a cute one? Have some candy, dear.
Thanks, bro. There you are. Did you get anything?
I got the rock.
At least it's a small one.
I found my friend, Mr. Johnson. You can go back to Hollywood now.
No way! Kids, you need protection! There are monsters running around here!
Moo ha ha ha.
I'm a spooky skeleton.
Oh!
Trick or treat!
No candy?
That means his choices. Trick.
That swollen bubble looks heavy. Maybe I can knock her out with it. All I need is a lucky chain reaction. Ouch! Sorry. Hey, that convoluted chain of events hurt a bit. You know.
You look awfully pale today, bro.
Isn't that a sign of a true gamer?
I don't remember you having fangs.
They're in style this season.
Really, dude, what happened to you?
I met this vampire chick, and we were having a nice chat when out of nowhere she bit me. Can you believe that?
Have you become a vampire?
I guess so. Can you try this blood pack on? It will look good with your shirt.
By the power of bro Jesus, leave my friend, you foul beast. Do you feel anything?
No!
How about now?
Oh, I'm feeling it. Damn you, holy icons. You should become a vampire too, Jock. It's really neat. We can fly, drink blood, and stay up all night long watching movies. We'll be friends forever.
That's cool and all, but how are you going to enjoy movies without your usual pizza with extra garlic?
I didn't think of that.
What about your other pastimes? Dancing in front of a mirror, sunbathing, morning swims in a holy water pool.
Ark, I knew my quirky hobbies would be the end of me one day. I have become a monster. Quick, you need to destroy me.
No, I can't.
You have to, otherwise there will be more vampires. Who will buy all the garlic pizzas?
Okay, I'll do it for the small business owners. Goodbye, old pal. Stay broke.
But why?
Oh, I get it. I always knew you had a golden heart, figuratively and physically.
Aww.
Ow. Hey. Come on, bro. Let's change coffins.
What are you gonna do? Bite me.
Haha, really funny.
Weird dark whispers lately. I wonder what's that about.
It is I, Zorda the Tormentor. It seems that your feeble mind is adept to morality-bending powers. That is why I'll grant you a gift, power to manifest anything from thin air. But if you use this power even once, you'll turn into a flaming skeleton. Enjoy your dilemma for eternity.
Boy, am I hungry. A hot dog sweet.
I just told you about the curse of my gift, and you immediately use it.
Man was hungry. What else could I have done? Let him starve. They just keep coming. Shoo shoo, don't ruin my best estate. Go back to your mommy.
Are they getting bigger?
They aren't usually this aggressive.
Oh, there's a big one. Lemma give it a good old knuckle sandwich.
Why didn't you punch it? Mama always told me to know what I'm hitting.
Hey, I don't think these monster rides are scary.
Come on, it will be spooky fun. Really, that's what you're scared of.
Duh, you can't drop kick a ghost.
Oh no! It took me hours to get this hair under control. I'm so sorry, Jock, I ruined everything.
Look at these sick new boots I got.
Oh wow! Are you going to stop your enemies with them?
No way! I don't want them to get dirty. I'm gonna take a bath instead. Hell hot demon in hot boots.
Hey Jock! How come you guys are such good friends?
Well, it's not anything complicated. It's just great to know that there's someone who always got your back, no matter what.
Interesting. I need to add this to my Nerd and Jock fanfic.
I thought you didn't like Nerd that much.
Oh Jock, World of Fanfiction is more complicated than you think.
Seems like everything went well in the end, and we got a new friend. Even though Jock is kind of clueless on clear signals sometimes. But I wonder, how does it feel when someone crushes on you like that?
Meanwhile, it's our hell's domain. Someday, my dear nerd, you will be mine.
Surprise!
Oh, it's you, babe. Thought you were my sleep paralysis demon for a sec. She's pretty scary.
She?
Ouch, but she's a total hag.
Then I'll just stay here, so she'll never bother your sleep again.
That sounds nice. You here for Demon Patrol 2?
I just thought we were playing Stack Up.
Ma'am, it's storming hard tonight. Just close your eyes, Jock. Soon you will be seeing sweet dreams.
Oh, don't mind me. Just watching out, in case your sleep paralysis demon shows up. Seen anything spooky yet?
Huh?
Don't mind that damn demon girl. Just sleep here.
Oh.
Night, night.
This storm is making me antsy. Can I sleep with you guys?
Why do you always pop out?
I'm so comfy.
It's getting crowded in here, but let's try to get some sleep.
Okay.
Good night, my weird sugar plum. Sleep tight, best pal. Good night, Mr. Bear. And good night to you, my sleep paralysis demon. I can't move.
Hold it, lady.
Huh?
I don't share my man. Huh?
What happened?
Your girlfriend is wrestling with some demon chick.
Quick, get popcorn.
And stay away from my dear dog.
My hero. Now we can all sleep safe and sound.
I'm going back to my room so you guys can have some space.
Oh, okay, bro. You can have Mr. Bear so you don't have to sleep alone.
I'm a big boy, I don't need a stuffed animal. But then again, I don't mind some company.
What you're biting me for?
No reason.
Is this one of those psychology things? to get me to bite you back.
Maybe.